Sponsored by RxCardClub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. RxCardClub.com. Pat McAfee played a role in ESPN's Blockbuster media hiring Monday. On Monday, ESPN celebrated a hiring coup, announcing it had poached Shams Charania from the Athletic/Stadium to replace Adrian Wojnarowski as the company's primary NBA insider. Shortly after the news was revealed, Pat McAfee dropped some interesting information on his daily show on YouTube and ESPN+. McAfee, who has been close with Charania for several years and used him as a frequent guest on his show before it moved to ESPN, admitted that he had privately lobbied for his friend to fill Wojnarowski's void. "I may or may not have sent that message to a couple people," McAfee said, via awful announcing. "But you know, our show is licensed to ESPN. But it was like, hey, we got this, whatever God, universe you believe in, there is a prince who was promised." In the weeks following Wojnarowski's surprise retirement on September 18, established ESPN insiders like Adam Schefter, NFL, and Jeff Passan, MLB, were mentioned as possible candidates to take over on the NBA beat. While those reports were out there, McAfee said he went to bat for Charania. "All those things were happening and we're friends with all these people. And it's like, I don't want to say, what are we doing, it's right here? But I took my hands out, sent a couple messages," McAfee said. "Good dude and has always shown up for us, too, absolutely insane work ethic." Charania, 30, previously worked for Yahoo Sports before making the move to the Athletic and Stadium in 2018. He is also a frequent contributor for FanDuel. "I am honored to join ESPN as the company's senior NBA insider. I can't wait to be part of an incredible group of colleagues at ESPN and serve the sports audience worldwide," Charania tweeted Monday.